Most customers do not need another report. They need to understand the value they received before it is time to renew, buy again, register, participate, or take the next step. And this is where many marketing and customer communications fall short. The data is usually there: usage, progress, savings, renewal value. But too often that data ends up in a PDF, a dashboard, or an email people just skim and forget. The problem is not that your audience has no data. The problem is that they may not see what that data means for them. That is why personalized year-in-review videos are becoming such a powerful idea. They turn each person's data into a simple personal story: what happened, why it matters, and what to do next. And this does not need to wait until December. The best teams start earlier while there is still time to shape the story, check the data, prepare the creative, and plan the campaign properly. We recently shared a case study from Sustainable Salons, where members received a Spotify Wrapped style personalized impact video showing their own contribution. If you're thinking about how to help customers, members, perhaps students, donors, or employees, or even partners see their value more clearly this year, take a look at the case study in the comments. And if you want to know what may be feasible based on your audience, goals, and data, send me a DM or comment with the word recap. I'll be happy to help you think it through. Have a great day, take care, and bye.